So welcome back again to another awesome tutorial on Python, and here we'll be looking at something very cool again. And what is that? While loop. In the previous tutorial we looked at for loop and we were able to generate numbers from 1 to 100, 20 to 40 and other things. So we'll be generating the same number 1 to 100 using while loop. So we have different loops, and loop helps us to print out much data than we needed. Okay, and we don't need to be printing this one by one. So with loop, we can take the range of numbers we want to print or anything, not just numbers. So let's see how we can print 1 to 100 using while loop. I'll go ahead and say A is equal to 1 because I will be starting from 1. You can start from 0, and we're going to look at it later, see how it works. So why A is less than 101? Because if it's less than 101, then 101 is not included. I'm going to go ahead and say print A. Remember to put this guy. And when it prints A, I want A to increment. I will now say A is equal to A plus 1. That means when it prints the first one, 1, you should add 1 again, print 2, and continue to add 1, print 3, and when it reaches 101, it's not going to print 101 because it's less than. It will now stop. So I'll go ahead and click File and Save, and I'll go ahead and run this model. Boom! This is where it is. You can see that, and it is 1 to 100. So someone else can say he wants to print from 0, and when you do that, come over. Before that, you go and save. You come over and click Run. And you actually start from 0. You can see that. Started from 0. So I'm going to remove this. And what if I start from 20 and I say it should be less than 41? I'll go ahead and save this guy. And come back here and click Run Model. You can see we achieve the same thing, 20 to 40. So guys, it's very cool, very interesting. Play around with it. We've discussed for loop and we also discussed while loop. So you can see the different types of loops we have in Python and how to use them. So they're very easy, very straightforward. I'm going to close this guy. Okay, and then see you in the next tutorial.